Hello, today we will talk about the unknown facts about the Uyghur people. Firstly, the Uyghur people are a minority ethnic group in China. They are mainly located in the Xinjiang region, which is known for its vast natural resources such as oil, gas, and coal. However, China has always treated the Uyghurs differently from other ethnic groups in Xinjiang, with various restrictions on their culture, religion, and even language. This has led to a large number of Uyghurs leaving their homeland in search of a better life elsewhere. Secondly, despite the global pandemic, the Chinese government has continued to crack down on the Uyghurs. They have been subjected to forced labor camps, where they are subjected to inhumane conditions. The Chinese government has also tried to erase their culture and language, and has forced the Uyghurs to adopt Chinese culture. Lastly, the United Nations has condemned the Chinese government's treatment of the Uyghurs, stating that it constitutes genocide. However, China has not given any credence to these allegations and has even denied that any such thing has taken place. In conclusion, the unknown facts about the Uyghur people are a stark reminder of the systemic violations of human rights that China commits against its own people. It is crucial that the international community continues to raise its voice against such atrocities and work towards ensuring that human rights are upheld in all parts of the world. Thank you.